Hello educators, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari, where I keep you updated with all the latest happening in the education world. In one of my previous video, I had informed you that Central Board of Secondary Education is organizing a series of online capacity building program for counselors and teachers on 25th June, 26th June and 27th June. The program aim is to enhance the knowledge and skill of counselor in both career counseling and psychosocial counseling. In this series, on 25th June, they had conducted a capacity building program on topic career assessment in counseling. In this video, I am going to share you all the quiz question with their solution so that you can easily answer and get certificate of participation. So now let us see the quiz question and their solution for 25th June capacity building program on career assessment in counseling. That's all for today's video. I hope that this video will help you in answering the quiz questions of 25th June capacity building program for counselor and teachers, and you also receive a certificate of participation. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friend. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.